The purpose of this recording is to show you the various places in the Plans and Tours website where dealer or affiliate information is being displayed to the public. So let's start with company. When you click on company, you're going to be looking for contact us information, and there it is right away, first thing, and all the dealers are listed here in this area. Also, on the coverage area map, you can drill down, and in each state you'll see each of the dealers in that state. If someone wants to contact, let's say, Seattle, they can click on this and it goes straight to contact page, and here showing the sales representative in Seattle. So your email address is actually masked and no one can fish it off the web page and add you to their spam list. So let's just go back. So that's the same for all of these. This is an image, it's not actually text that a robot can scrape off this page, so this is kind of secure. So in addition to being able to contact you that way, they can obviously phone you, they can see your price list, we'll look at that in a minute, and they can click on your map. So they can click on Seattle here, and this takes them to a Google map that we've created for each dealer that you can edit and annotate with the actual coverage area with some sort of shape around here, and also you can put showcases on this map as well. In fact, here's an example of how we've done it in San Francisco. So if I just zoom in a little bit, okay, you can see here this is where we're located, and each one of these is a showcase. These thumbnails are actually pointing at an image in the listing, and if I click on this, let's say this one, it gives me an address and link to the virtual tour. If I click on the virtual tour, and there it is loading the virtual tour. Okay, so let's recap how that was done. So let's say I click on California, San Francisco Bay Area. So my contact information is still here, repeated, but I've got a way of showing people a bunch of showcases, and you can control what you show. You can change these, you can swap them out as you improve your portfolio showcases, and you can use these shapes to depict this is my coverage area, and beyond here it's another premium price or something like that. So we have a set of tutorials that show you how to do each of these things, how to create these thumbnails, load them in here, create this map, and so on. But also on every state map, below the map, we've got price list and order now. If I click on price list, it takes you to a price list. So here they can just type in a zip code, 80731, and then it tells you, okay, this area is covered by Plans and Tours Denver, Colorado. This zip requires a travel surcharge of $20. So if you've given us your price list and your zip code list, we can have your pricing online just like this. So then the visitor would go next, and there they can see exactly what your pricing is for all the various services. And you'll notice there's no pricing information here for flyers, for anyone that's doing flyers, but that's going to be added very soon. So there's your pricing. So now let's go back to the map and consider one more thing. You can actually point people to your state map because for each of you, when your account was set up, let's say you're serving Washington State, each one of you has been given sort of a personal URL. For example, plansandtours.com/Seattle. So if I type in plansandtours.com/Seattle, let's see what happens. The page reloads straight back to the page we were on, and look, the URL has changed back to coverage area WA. So all of the Plans and Tours Everett, Plans and Tours Seattle, Plans and Tours Tacoma point back to this page. So you can actually hand that out as a URL for people to use that will point them straight back to your contact information page and a link to your price list. So not a bad page to think about using in your email signatures and so on. So that's about it. Thanks for listening.